Move! 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 What? Why don't you move? You fucking... I've got you on camera! You are... Go on! I've got your camera! You tried to run it from me! I have not tried to run you over. It's in my car! Look what you've done! I'm calling the police on...
Was that you? I hope not. But if it was you, the reason why little old ladies are humiliating you is because you have a weenie horn. You need a big, powerful horn to get them out of your way. Hello, David here, and the project for today is replacing the horns on my 2018 Toyota RAV4, primarily because the horns sound like a castrated Roadrunner. What we have here is the Hella brand, model number 012010901, specifically made for Toyota because the electrical leads match the leads in the Toyota vehicle. Let's see what we have inside. Got two horns made out of plastic, and they are made in communist China. And I guess this is the part that interfaces with the leads that are already in the RAV4. Okay, these horns have two tones. This one is 400 Hertz. This one is 500 Hertz. I'm going to do a comparison. I don't think the microphone on my camera is going to be very good, but let's do it before and after. Here's the factory horn. Going to have to remove this hood latch because this lever is in the way of this panel. This panel will come off next. 3 10mm bolts here. 4 plastic clips that need to come out. This is 10mm. So I don't think there's anything else holding this piece in. I just think it has to be wrestled out. Well, I had a surprise. I had to loosen up this part by removing these fasteners here, because this part has a clip-in fastener. It's one of these type of fasteners. It goes in right here, but that was way under there. I had to reach in with a tool to unclip it, and then that fastener fell down in there. I don't know if I'm ever going to get it. But anyway, I got this thing out of the way. So you'll find the horn right over there, and there's only one of them. I'm going to have to splice some wires off. Okay, I've got the old horn out. There was a 12mm bolt holding that in. There are two horns. I found the second horn under here. Right there. Looks like it's going to be hard getting to that bolt. Yeah, I've got this one horn in. It's loose. I got to tighten it up. I do have the wire connected to it, and I'm going to have to angle the horn down slightly because the wire's a little tight. But with it angled down slightly, there is enough slack in the wire. It just get to this other horn. You got to pull up on this part and get the wrench in through here to get to that nut. Probably can't see it. Okay, I got it in. Can you see it? There it is. The wire going to this horn is kind of tight. Everything's buttoned up. All that's left to do is make sure the hood latches properly. Okay, let's test the new horn. Here's the factory horn. Oh yeah, I could tell a big difference. With a horn like this, those little old ladies are not gonna bully you guys anymore. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.